Hello, I'm Henry from Fine & Country in Ilfracombe, and I'm absolutely delighted to share and talk to you about my latest listing, 69B Channel View. A very well presented, detached, executive style family home constructed in 2007 to an extremely high standard and situated in a select close in a nice elevated position with outstanding views to a wide vista. This architecturally designed home is arranged over 2 floors and has spacious and flexible living accommodation, ideal for the larger family market, and also has a bright and airy feel throughout. In more recent years, the property has been considerably extended from its original form to create a much larger than average family home. The accommodation on the ground floor comprises a very spacious entrance hall, handy cloakroom, study cum boot room, utility room and a very impressive living room that has doors leading out to the rear garden. The main social hub of the property is the exquisite open plan kitchen cum diner, which has a range of high quality units and integrated appliances. The sunroom is located at the rear of the property and overlooks the delightful rear garden and makes for an ideal dining area. The first floor has 6 bedrooms in total, with 3 of them having sea and coastal views. The master bedroom suite has a range of built-in wardrobes and a large ensuite bathroom. Bedroom 2 also has its own ensuite shower room. Outside to the front of the property, there is a brick paved parking area for multiple vehicles in front of the large double garage, which has power and light connected. The rear garden is a good sized, lawned and has plenty of seating areas. The garden enjoys plenty of sunlight and the excellent views across the town, coastline and countryside. This really is a special property and a fantastic location, and an internal inspection is highly advised to fully appreciate the quality and size on offer. If this does sound like it would be of interest to you, then please don't hesitate to get in touch, as we'd love to hear from you on 01271 863 091.